detects volcano on Jupiter's moon Io. NASA's Deep Space Juno spacecraft detected evidence of a new volcanic heat source on the surface of Jupiter's moon Io. The Juno space probe picked up the source of intense heat near the moon's south pole during a flyby on the 16th of December, 2017. Juno's powerful infrared imagery instrumentation detected signs of possible volcanic activity from an impressive distance of 290,000 miles away. NASA's scientists at the Juno mission are confident the hotspot is proof of a new volcano on Io. The first signs of volcanic activity on Io were discovered by the Voyager 1 probe in 1979. Further flybys by a number of future spaceprobes from the Voyagers to New Horizons have established the presence hundreds of volcanoes. Ground-based observations have detected at least 150 active volcanoes, and scientists estimate another 250 could be waiting to be discovered. Alessandro Mura, a Juno co-investigator from the National Institute for Astrophysics in Rome, said there is a slim possibility of the hotspot being a previously discovered volcano, but it is unlikely. He said, the new Io hotspot Jovian Infrared Auroral Mapper, JIRM, picked up is about 200 miles from the nearest previously mapped hotspot.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.